Right?
I traveled to UK this year with my Murabi to attend Jalsa. I used to wonder where our financial sacrifices went, but attending the Jalsa opened my eyes and granted me a new perspective. What can I do to encourage other Khudam to attend Jalsa?
Those who are under your influence or those who listen to you, then tell them that what was your experience, and they should try to get first-hand experience and go there to Jalsa. Even there are quite a number of Khudam who have been coming to see me during the year, and they are very much inspired by the atmosphere here. And when they go back, they ask other Khudams also, and even they say that we shall ask others to come again. And because of that, quite a number of Khudam have started thinking of coming here. So in this way, you can just ask those who are your close friends, those whom you have better relations,